Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the permanent government vacancies notification regarding to any graduate. Even though if you are a fresher, then no problem, guys. You can apply for this one. Okay, and they mentioned that the pay scale is level 4. So as per the pay scale level 4 CPC, it is up to 81,100 rupees per month. And it is all over the India vacancies, guys. That means all over India recruitment. So you can apply from any state. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the government job notifications. Okay, with any graduation, it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is the direct recruitment of Group C civilian post in Indian Air Force. So advertisement number 3 2021 DR, and you may check down the applications are invited from eligible Indian citizens for the recruitment of following Group C civilian post at various Air Force stations or units mentioned below, and the eligible candidates may address their application to the concerned stations or the units, and the details of the posts are given below, so you may check down, guys. So here the postal address is also mentioned, Nagpur. They need the cook, MTS, and coming to the Kanpur, laundryman, and coming to the same Kanpur, C and SMW, and ARC mechanical carpenter, MTS. Okay, and coming to the Chandigarh, the superintendent of the store. So like that, here the vacancies are mentioned. You may check down as per the caste category. They divided the vacancies here. So as per this one, you may check down the, just in this table, in which area, in which department, how many number of vacancies are there as per your caste category. So you please check down, guys. Here the huge number of vacancies are there, and I will show you the qualifications for this one also. So first we will check the age limitations. So 18 to 25 years, that is the age limitation, guys. And the relaxation is also provided for the OBC category 3 years, for the SC/ST category 5 years, and 10 years relaxation will be provided to the candidates who belongs to PWBD category, and additional 5 years in case of PWBD candidates belonging to SC/ST, and 3 years for the OBC category. Okay, and for ex-servicemen also it is there, and SC/ST candidates appearing against unreserved post are not entitled to any relaxation in the age limit or experience or etc. That means the SC/ST OBC candidates who are applying under the unreserved category, then age relaxations will not be applicable. So SC/ST OBC candidates, please check out your vacancies as per your caste category. Okay, then only if as per your caste category, if the vacancies are there, you may apply. As per your caste category, if the vacancies are not there in the table, then if you are applying for under the general category, don't expect the age relaxations. Okay, next the departmental employees given here, and coming to the educational qualifications or the pay scale for each post. So superintendent of the store, level 4 as per the pay matrix 7th CPC. That means as I kept that 81,100 rupees per month up to, okay, maximum. And essential qualification, graduate of a recognized university or the equivalent. That means any graduation, guys, any graduation, if you are having the prescribed age limit here, then you can apply for this post. The desirable mentioned here, experience in handling stores and keeping accounts in a store of the concern of repute in public or private sector, but it is desirable only. Fine. So if you are having any graduation, then you can apply for this one as a superintendent of the store. Then the maximum amount for the under the level 4 CPC is 7th CPC is 81,100. Okay, and the next one is lower divisional clerk. So in this LDC level 2 you will get, that is 12th pass from a recognized board. Apart from this one, the candidate must have the typing speed of 35 words per minute in English or else 30 words per minute in Hindi on computer. Fine. And coming to the storekeeper, it is also level 2 as per the 7th CPC. So level 2 is also nearly 30,000, guys, 28 something like that, the maximum amount. And the essential is 12th class or equivalent from recognized board or university, and the desirable experience in handling stores and keeping accounts in a store of a concern of repeat in public or the private sector. So if you're having only the 12th class, then based upon that one also you can apply for the storekeeper. Then the cook is mentioned. So level 2 and matriculation from a recognized board with a certificate or a diploma in catering and 1 year of experience in trade must be there. And coming to the painter skilled, 10th class from the recognized board or institute, ITA certificate in trade of painter from a recognized institute or ex-serviceman in appropriate trade. Next, carpenter skilled level 2, 10th pass plus industrial training institute certificate. And next, coppersmith and sheet metal worker level 2. So here also 10th pass and what we call industrial training institute certificate must be there. And next one, mechanical level 2, 10th pass and certificate course from a government recognized institute in the trade of aircraft mechanic, and 1 year of experience in relevant field must be there. And coming to the fitter, so fitter level 2, 10th pass and ITA certificate. Housekeeping level 1 matriculation, and next laundryman level 1 matriculation and matriculation. Mess staff level 1 matriculation. Multitasking staff MTS level 1 matriculation, and tailor, so 10th pass plus ITA certificate. Tradesman mate level 1 matriculation, and Hindi typist level 2 12th class pass, and 35 words per minute in English or 30 words per minute in Hindi on computer, guys. Okay, so these are all the things. And while coming to the mode of selection, we will check down. All application will be scrutinized in terms of age limits, minimum qualification, documents and certificates. Thereafter, the eligible candidates will be issued call letters for the written test. Okay, the eligible candidates will be required to appear for the written test, and it is the written test will be the based on minimum educational qualification. And the syllabus for written test for LDC general intelligence, English language, numerical aptitude, general awareness. For stenographers, general intelligence and reasoning, general awareness, English language and comprehension. And for MTS, HKS and laundryman, mess staff and all these things, general intelligence and reasoning, numerical aptitude, general English and the general awareness. Fine. So for other trades also you may check down, guys. The last date for the receipt of application is 30 days from the date of publication. Okay, and how to apply? Eligible candidates can apply any one of the above post whatever I shown. Okay, Air Force station of their choice subject to vacancies and the qualification. Application as per the format given under, typed in English or Hindi, duly supported with the following documents. It has to reach to the concerned Air Force station through ordinary post. Application sent through the register post or speed post or courier will not be accepted. Okay. So definitely you have to send through the ordinary post only. Don't send through the register post or speed post or courier. And all documents in supporting of educational qualification, age, technical qualification, all these things you have to attach, guys. Okay, accomplished should be self-attested. Fine. And I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So for a few more instructions, you please check down, guys. And pro forma for application is also given here. So you may check down. Fine. Yeah, so these are all the details regarding this one, guys. Okay, fine. So please utilize this opportunity. So here, whoever the graduate vacancies you are looking for, I am suggesting to apply for the superintendent store. Okay, you will get the level 4 and the qualification is any graduation. That's it. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.